Hi, I'm Connie Allen, the Joyous Family Coach, and today I want to talk with you about bullying. And you hear a lot about it these days, and more parents are realizing that it's a huge problem and that it is actually on the increase. So today, what I am going to do, this is the first in a series of videos that I'm going to do about myth busting, ideas about bullying, its causes, what we should be doing about it, what to do when it does happen, how to prevent it, all of these, where I'm going to be sharing with you some of the myths that I see out there about bullying and how we are choosing to respond to this and how we're choosing to think about it. Today, though, I want to give you an idea of the scope of the problem. So one of the things to know is that it's on the rise. We probably already know this, that it's on the rise among young children, among teens, young adults. It's just increasing. And that lots of the physical assaults that used to be a part of bullying are now being replaced by cyberbullying, which can be even more devastating. A couple of statistics, a couple of numbers for you. 77% of children report that they have been bullied in one way or another. 77%. It's almost 80%. So you have 4 children, 3 of those report that they have been bullied in one way at some time in their lives. It's a huge number. This next statistic really troubles me. 58% of children of all ages who have been bullied, 58% never tell an adult. Over half the kids who are bullied. So that means we don't really know the enormity or the scope of the problem, and that there's something going on if kids aren't telling us. And that is something in my upcoming teleclass that I'm definitely going to address so that that does not happen to you. Another thing I want to talk briefly about is what experts are calling bullycide. And some of you have probably heard of this. It's when a child takes their own life as a result of being bullied and not being able to get that resolved. One thing is that bullycide is, I don't have an exact number, but it's one of the leading causes of death in children under 14 is bullycide. One of the leading causes of death in children under 14 is children taking their lives due to bullying. The other thing to know is that suicide rates are on the increase among teens. They're on everybody, all ages of children. But in teens, it has doubled, not doubled, it's increased 50%. It has increased 50% over the last 30 years. And so when we have children taking their lives, these are huge red flags that we really need to pay attention to. And I'm not telling you that you should grab your child close and hold them tight and I'm never going to let you be bullied and I'm never going to let you hurt yourself. Because that isn't the way to respond to this. The way to respond to being concerned about bullying is to get good information. Get good information about the myths and get good information about what you as a parent can do to best support your child. And that's exactly the information that I want to share with you. So stand by and watch for my next video.